Everyone sees the tip of the iceberg. Finish a course, build some projects, get hired. Sounds simple and straightforward. But nobody talks about what is underneath. And what is underneath is exactly what determines whether you make it or not. The surface-level roadmap is what everyone follows. Learn, build, and apply. And most people do exactly that. They finish the courses. They build the tutorial projects. They start sending applications. And then they hit the part of the iceberg nobody warned them about. Months of silence. Rejection emails that don't even explain why. Entry-level job listings that somehow require 3 years of experience. And the worst part, nobody prepared them for any of it. The iceberg was always bigger than it looked. In this video, we are going to go beneath the surface and walk through the full iceberg, the honest dev career roadmap built for the market that actually exists right now. Above the surface, this is what everyone sees. Learn to code, build projects, apply for jobs. This is the tip. And yes, it is real. But it is maybe 10% of the full picture. Before we go deeper, let's be honest about something most roadmaps completely ignore. AI has changed what you actually need to learn. Writing boilerplate code, basic debugging, simple front-end work, AI handles a significant chunk of that now. That does not mean you skip the fundamentals. It means you do not need to obsess over memorizing every line of syntax before you can start building real things. What matters now is understanding. Understanding why code works. Understanding how systems connect. Understanding what breaks and why. That foundation is what AI cannot replace. So what does the market want right now? AI and machine learning engineers, cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, and data engineering are the fastest growing roles, with a serious shortage of qualified people. Over half of all tech job postings now require some level of AI or machine learning skills. This is not the future. This is right now. Algorithmic thinking, system design. These are the skills below the iceberg that are not going anywhere. The first layer, pick a lane that has real demand. Front-end, back-end, full-stack, cloud, or data. Pick based on where the market actually has openings, not what seems easiest. Back-end and cloud roles are growing faster than most people realize. AI is not replacing these. It is making the people who understand them more valuable. The second layer, build a portfolio that proves depth, not breadth. 1 or 2 things you built from scratch that solve a real problem. In 2026, employers are prioritizing demonstrated skills over degrees. What you can show matters more than what you can claim. The third layer, open source contributions. This is the part of the iceberg most people do not consider. 1 merged pull request carries more weight than 10 tutorial certificates. The fourth layer, networking over cold applying. Cold applying is the tip. Networking is what is underneath. The developers getting hired are connecting with engineers on LinkedIn, showing up at meetups, and getting referred before a job even goes public. The fifth layer, AI fluency. Not just using AI as a shortcut, but understanding how to leverage it without losing the ability to think independently. Use AI to go faster, not to replace your understanding. That distinction is exactly what separates the developers companies want from the ones they pass on. And the deepest layer of all, the real timeline. Months of consistent focused work. Not days, not weeks, and not even a single month. You need time to learn fundamentals with real understanding. Time to build portfolio projects for current market demand. And then the time for applying, networking, and iterating until it clicks. The iceberg is deep, but it has a bottom. The iceberg was never meant to sink you. It was meant to show you how much more there is beneath what everyone sees on the surface. The developers who make it are not the ones who had the best roadmap. They are the ones who kept going when they discovered how deep the iceberg actually was. So I want to ask you, which layer of the iceberg surprised you the most? The timeline? The AI skills? The open source? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.